Alright guys, here comes Amtrak San Joaquin train 718. And this is your train to Bakersfield. Here it comes now. See, look, here's another difference of the signals. After when a train passes by eastbound, that bottom signal was green instead of the top signal was green because the other train that was heading eastbound was switching tracks. And for that, look, now the signal on the left side is green. Only the top, no bottom signal on the left. That's why they always try to do that. And that's going to be the same set as always. It returns as 713 and comes back as 718. I think it's the same cab car as 8302 Mount Shasta. (8302 Mount Shasta). Charger 2107, and that little car number before the Siemens Charger engine was 5008. Now that left signal was red. Alright, there goes your Amtrak San Joaquin train 718, your train to Bakersfield. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.